What's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm here. I'm going to be trying out this wig from UNice. Not the first time getting a wig from UNice, and their quality is usually really good, so I'm very excited about this today. I did not make the box tear here. I guess when it was going through customs that happened. When I open the box, it has like this drawstring bag. It has one wig cap, and I also got a headscarf. Always love getting this. It says UNice. Also got a pair of lashes. Definitely going to use these for my look today. Oh, okay. Nail wrap. Lasts up to 7 days. I've never tried these before. That is interesting. So the next thing in the box is basically just the wig. Guys, oh my gosh, I know this is like the third wig since recently you see with this color, and I must say I love this color so much. The other day I had on a much longer length, because this is actually a bob that I'm about to show you guys, a much longer length, and I just didn't want to take it off. And you guys know I love changing my look so much. I'm so excited for this because this is gonna be like a nice blonde cut look, and I just took off that wig that I'm telling you guys about, so this will look like I cut it. It's so nice. The only difference is this is colored. This has a color from the root. So this is a lace front wig, standard cap construction. It has a total of 3 combs on the inside, one here, here, and in the back. Adjustable straps. Yeah, looks standard. It's a center part. Comes with a center part. I feel like, should I do center part? No, I feel like I should do this in a side part, because what I had on was a center part. This is so nice. Before I go ahead, I washed my hair yesterday, and I just wanted to show you guys. I insert a little clip of that. Yeah, that was wash day. Just something, I never do like a video on it or anything, but just so you guys know, one product for sure that I use to ensure that like my hair or my scalp is well moisturized beneath my wig is my Divinity Growth Oil. Just remember, you guys, go ahead and follow Divinity Glam on Instagram if you want to get one of these. It's gonna be back in stock very soon, so just follow the page. That's where you order, and yeah, it will be back in stock very soon. I kind of delayed my restock because for the Christmas season there were a lot of delays with shipping, so you know, I just wanted to ensure that everything is cleared up where that is concerned with, you know, everybody that purchased in that last batch before I went ahead and did another sale. So I'm just gonna spray it on my scalp. So my intention is to like change the tip of this with one of those nozzles that you can literally just put in between your braids, which makes it really convenient. So I've gotten the suggestions from a lot of like my customers and supporters, and it makes perfect sense. I thought about it before too, but yeah, so I believe after the next restock I'm going to definitely, well, I have a bunch of these caps still left, so once all of these caps are out, I'm going to definitely go ahead and change the cover. I just pretty much rub it on the scalp each and every time I'm changing my wig, or if I take off the wig, I ensure to do this, and I change my wig next to every day sometimes. If not, I don't let like 3 days pass and I don't oil my scalp. It has a lot of fatty acids, and it helps with the prevention of hair damage. Okay, this will really get your hair super thick. Yo, look at my hair here when I was watching it. Yeah, this is just a little tip of how to care for your natural hair while wearing wigs or whatever. It's very important, very important. So my Divinity Growth, and it's been so good. Like, number one thing with this too, a lot of customers say they really love it. A star oil in this is my peppermint oil, because once you apply this to the scalp, it leaves a very minty sensation. So be mindful of that. If you have sinus problems or anything, it really helps with that as well, and it just gives that fresh feeling to your scalp. What the trouble with love is. For today's install, I'm just gonna be using my Got to Be to let this stick. It's just a small portion on the side that I have to cut off. What the trouble with love is. What the trouble with love is. Just take my elastic band, just press in the lace, help it to melt a little bit more before I cut away the excess. So I'm all done with, applying it. Now I want to just go in and make my parting. You guys know the drill. I get my hot comb and I'm gonna use my wax stick. What the trouble with love is. That is the only swoop I'm doing. Definitely just giving it a very pulled back, refreshed side part look. No, it still looks kind of weird here, but trust me, it will come together in a bit. Before I move any further, guys, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna tie down this area. But before I move any further, I'm going to like brighten the parting here. Get it bone straight and flowy, which is not gonna take a lot of time at all, because you guys know I'm going in with my Kiposi flat iron. What the trouble with love is. What the trouble with love is. What the trouble with love is. Guys, OMG, I'm finished. It is so sleek. So sleek. Again, Ciara vibes, Beyonce vibes, whichever one you want to call it. The color that is like these highlights, everything, and the cut. I didn't go in and cut it any further. Like, you guys saw one pass through each section, and the hair is just it. Super silky, super flowy, and the color job is just really good, really good. The density, A1. A1. I wouldn't want it any fuller, and I wouldn't want it to be less density. As you guys saw, I gave it a little bit of layers here in the front because I like that little, you know, this is giving me that little, you know, 90s vibe, you know. So that's really nice. You could also go ahead and do the like the feathered look if that's what you want, but I didn't really want it to be too much in my face, so I styled it like this. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is pretty sleek and just UNice hair, you definitely came through, because this is gorgeous. I definitely rate this wig 10 out of 10. I don't remember if I actually mentioned the specifications, but this is the 13x4 highlight bob. It's 150% in density. It's 14 inches long, and it's, of course, as you can see, it's highlighted. So yeah, and it is pre-plucked. It is pre-plucked. I didn't go in and pluck it any further. Some people would have preferred to probably go in and pluck it further. I didn't. It works just fine for me. It looks good, and yeah, I'm going to put all the information down below, the direct link if you want to shop it, so you can go ahead and do so. And leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think, and stay tuned for my next video, guys. Also, don't forget to check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself.